What is multi-generational trust planning and why it matters in California? Families across California are thinking far beyond simple estate planning. Instead of asking, how do I pass assets to my children? Many are asking a bigger question. How do I protect my family's wealth, values, and stability for decades to come? That's where multi-generational trust planning comes in. I'm Michael Hackard, and for more than 50 years working with California families, I've seen how the right trust structure can preserve not just wealth, but family harmony. I've also seen what happens when planning falls short. Disputes arise, assets shrink, and relationships fracture. Multi-generational trust planning is about avoiding those outcomes. At its core, this approach allows assets to remain in trust for children, grandchildren, and even future descendants, rather than passing outright to each generation. In a state like California, where real estate values are high and family structures are often complex, this kind of planning matters more than ever. So, what exactly is multi-generational trust planning? It's a legal structure where the trust, not individual beneficiaries, owns and manages assets. Beneficiaries receive distributions for education, healthcare, or support, but the principal stays protected for future generations. The goal is long-term stability rather than short-term access. Families use this approach to avoid the need for probate, reduce estate and gift taxes, protect assets from lawsuits and divorce, and ensure responsible stewardship over time. For California families with valuable homes, family businesses, or investment portfolios, those protections can be critical. Multi-generational trust planning has evolved significantly in recent years. Historically, many families relied on revocable living trusts to pass assets to their children. Today, with blended families, global assets, digital wealth, and shifting tax laws, more families are creating dynasty-style trusts designed to last for generations. Changes like Proposition 19 have reshaped property tax rules. Global mobility has introduced cross-border inheritance issues. Digital assets such as online businesses and cryptocurrency require new management strategies. These realities demand more thoughtful planning than ever before. Choosing the right trust structure is the foundation of success. A revocable living trust offers flexibility during your lifetime and helps avoid probate, but it provides limited protection once assets pass to the next generation. Irrevocable trusts offer stronger asset protection and tax advantages by removing assets from the taxable estate. For families focused on preserving wealth long-term, this structure often provides the stability they're seeking. Dynasty or generation skipping trusts are designed to benefit grandchildren and future descendants while minimizing transfer taxes. These trusts are commonly used to protect real estate investment funds and closely held businesses. Life insurance trusts can provide liquidity, helping families pay taxes or equalize distributions when assets such as real estate cannot be divided easily. Charitable remainder and charitable lead trusts allow families to combine philanthropy with legacy planning, supporting causes they care about while creating tax efficiencies. Qualified personal residence trusts are often used when a family home represents a significant portion of the estate, allowing the transfer at a reduced tax basis while the grantor continues to live there. Special needs trusts ensure that beneficiaries with disabilities receive ongoing support without jeopardizing government benefits. Most families don't rely on just one trust. They use several working together: a revocable trust for general assets, an irrevocable or dynasty trust for long-term holdings, a life insurance or charitable trust for liquidity and values-based planning. Once a trust is in place, how does it function? The trustee manages assets in accordance with the written terms. Distributions are made based on clearly defined standards, while the trust principal remains protected. California law also provides flexibility through tools such as decanting, which allows assets to move into a new trust with updated terms when circumstances change. Despite the benefits, challenges can arise. Poor drafting can lead to ambiguity and disputes. Trustees may breach fiduciary duties through mismanagement or self-dealing. Outdated provisions may fail to account for tax law changes or evolving family needs. Unequal distributions can create resentment and litigation risk. Regular legal and financial reviews help prevent these problems before they become costly conflicts. Strong trust management is just as important as strong drafting. Professional trustees bring impartiality, compliance, and continuity. Financial advisors and accountants help ensure tax efficiency and sound investment strategies. Many families choose co-trustee arrangements, combining professional oversight with family insight. Looking ahead, technology is reshaping trust administration. Secure digital platforms, improved reporting, and advanced planning tools are making trusts more transparent and adaptable. Families who embrace these changes thoughtfully will be better positioned for the future. The takeaway is simple. Multi-generational trust planning is not just a legal document, it's a long-term strategy for protecting wealth, reducing conflict, and preserving family purpose across generations. With careful structure, regular oversight, and clear communication, California families can turn their estate plan into a lasting legacy of stability and unity. Hackard Law represents heirs and beneficiaries in estate and trust litigation in the San Francisco Bay Area and throughout California. You can call us today at 916-313-3030. We look forward to hearing from you.